Happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, another Monday market moment. Today, we're going to attempt to answer the question, is the sky falling? What does that mean? Well, there is one sort of stat that people kind of look at to see if the market is starting to soften quite a bit. So we'll talk about that in just a few moments. But first, let's look at the latest stats. Right now, we have 4,500 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. It's an increase of 170 from last week. Median list price is higher, $999, $945. Average days on market of those homes is 41. Pending sales, 2437, 32 more than we had the week before. $899 was the median list price, higher than the week before. No change on average days on market, 24. Months of inventory is going back up again, 2.21. It's been bouncing up and down, over 2, below 2. So now it's 2.2, which is the highest it's been in a little while. Let's see if that trend continues. Here's a chart showing total actives and total pendings. You can see pendings is kind of remaining flat while inventory, total inventory, keeps going up. How many homes came on the market last week? 913, 24 than the week before. Median list price of those homes, $989.9, higher than the ones that came on the market the week prior. New pendings, 401, down 22 versus last week. So that's a role reversal from the week before, where we had fewer homes came on the market a couple weeks ago than the week prior, and more homes went pending a couple weeks ago versus the week prior. Now it's the opposite. Median list price of those homes, $899, $999, lower than the week before. Average days on market, 23. New pendings listed within the last week, 29. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 172. 7% of homes are selling in a week or less, 43% in 2 weeks or less. Closed escrows last week, 355, big drop of 66. I think that's why we saw the months of inventory go up quite a bit, because fewer closed sales last week than the week prior. Median list price, $929, lower than the week prior. Median sales price, $935, also lower. However, a couple of weeks ago, we saw that the median sales price was below the median list price. This week, it's back up again. Median sales price above median list price. Average days on market, 23, 5 more days than the ones that closed escrow last week. That's a little interesting. It's taking a little bit longer for those homes to close. Least expensive sale, $165 in Santee. The most expensive sale was in Coronado, $9,825,000. Here's a chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. Didn't have as many new actives this past week as a couple weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, but still a bump from the week prior. Pending sales lower, closed sales lower. Here's a chart showing median list price and median sales price. Again, it's lower than it's been in a few weeks, but still, homes are selling on the median for more than what they are being listed for. Here's the breakdown from Stephen Thomas's report on housing from a couple weeks ago. You can see the percentage of the current inventory for the different price categories and the percentage of the current demand. Interestingly, $0 to $750,000, 31% of the demand is in this category, but 29% of the inventory is in that price point. So that's obviously more demand than supply, but that gap had been bigger. 28% of the demand is $750,000 to $1 million. 21% of the inventory is in that category. So again, more demand than supply. And we start seeing it switch where there's more supply than demand in the $1.5 to $2 million category. And that's why we see days on market much higher for that price category than the other price categories. Okay, is the sky falling? Well, one of the things we hear about sort of anecdotally is, are escrows falling out? Are we seeing homes going into escrow, going under contract, and then buyers getting nervous and canceling? What percentage of homes are doing that? Well, I took a little deeper dive into that category. Total actives, as we mentioned, was 4,500. Average days on market, 41. Okay. The number of those active listings that were previously in escrow, so they went under contract and then came back active again, 74. Only 1.6%. So under 2% of the homes that go under contract are falling out. The average days on market of those homes is 54. That makes sense. Number of those homes, the 74 homes that fell out and are back on the market again, with a price reduction, only 4. So it's not like people are falling out and then dramatically lowering their prices to get their homes under contract. And we actually had one that increased their price. So it went under contract, it fell out, and it actually raised its price. Kind of interesting there. I don't have the ability to look and see the percentage of the pending sales that were previously pending. So they went from active to pending, fell out, and then went back into escrow again. Don't have that capability. I'll keep looking to see if I can find it. But using this criteria, homes that are on the market, were on the market, fell out, and back on the market again, only 1.6%. It's not as many as people might think. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan the QR code, track your home's value. If you have any questions about this information or how it might affect you, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, whatever you'd like. And I look forward to seeing you next Monday in the next Monday Market Moment. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email to brian@devorerealtygroup.com.